It is very important to clean and oil the machine on a regular basis. Remove the presser foot from the machine. Press on the back right corner of the stitch plate to remove it from the machine. Open the door of the bobbin area. Using a soft brush, brush out the lint and dust that has been created from the thread, fabric, and batting. Do this before you start a new project. This may also need to be done during the project depending on the size of the project. Remove the bobbin case and brush out any lint. If lint is stuck behind the bobbin spring, remove the spring by carefully lifting it out of the case. Do this with care as the spring is easily lost. Brush out the case. Looking at the spring, it has 2 notches on each side. The spring is also not flat. The protruding side of the spring should face out when placed in the bobbin case. Place the spring by matching the tabs on the spring and the notches inside the bobbin case. Use the hand wheel and turn slightly back to expose the race where you need to oil. Place 1 or 2 drops of oil on the race. A close-up shows exactly where to oil the machine. Oil the machine when you start a project and every 2 or 3 bobbins. You will hear when your machine needs oil. Take a few stitches to get the oil moving. Put the bobbin back in the bobbin case and the case back in the machine. Cut the thread and close the bobbin door. Replace the stitch plate. Occasionally, you will want to check the wheels and the rails. Clean the rails with a soft cloth. Check for any thread that may have been wrapped around the wheels. If there is a buildup on the wheels, as you see here, use a soft cloth to clean it off. Turn the wheels so the entire surface can be cleaned.